So, hi guys! Happy Sunday! So, ngayon, andito ulit kami sa yung beach last time na pinuntahan namin. So, bumalik lang kami. So, si Big Boy nasa unahan. Puntahan natin kung ano yung ginagawa ng Asokar di Papa natin. So medyo mahangin ngayon. Ayaw niyang pahagip sa camera. What's wrong, my love? Oh, this one. They're over there. This one, the two one.
Oh, cool. This one.
Yeah. So, nandito kami ulit guys kasi gustong mag-picnic ni Big Boy. That's the reason why we're back here. And he's right there. And he's looking for...
Let's try.
Okay.
Power!
Yes.
Set up the play.
Wow, set up the place. Okay, wait.
Yeah, that's where I'm going. No! Give me my phone. Oh, maybe that one try to get the fish and then hit the rock.
Maybe.
Oh no, idiot.
Maybe the bird collided.
That's what I said.
Okay. So ngayon guys, nandito kami sa Mating pala. Doon si Big Boy sa likod.
Okay, let's try walking there. Ah!
Stop shouting!
Okay, hold it in your pocket then.
You're making... So, be careful, okay?
Okay.
Oh no. Oh no, do stress.
Focus on the landscape. So, you in the way.
Where you going anyway?
Outside.
Okay, go there then.
Get away from me. Throw it carefully. Ah!
Parang sira naman to, pasigaw-sigaw.
Stop! What are you doing?
Recording you. What
Hey, we
else?
can eat this.
Not really. So dahan-dahan tayo guys, baka madulas tayo, delikado. My camera. will end up in the water. So that's why we need to be very careful. So hindi na lang kami maliligo. Mag-sunbait na lang kami.
What the fuck? Go find your offline.
You are my artist, right?
You pay for me.
Stop.
What the fuck? Hey people.
Where?
Yeah. Yeah.
And
What the fuck? Go away! So intrusive!
are you
Yeah,
done?
warm now.
Are you done? So are we going home?
Dan, you want to swim?
I told you I don't want to swim.
Oh no, wrong side. Yeah. On it. It hurts. Do the monkey thing again. First the tree. I don't see anything. It's okay. No.
See the green?
No, what green?
The face
Yellow.
tracking, the face tracking thingy.
It's yellow.
Okay, not recording. Hindi kami naligo kasi the water medyo frio, mas frio. So pabalik na kami dun sa yung parang beach na maraming tao. Kasi yung pinuntahan namin yung lugar siya na less people.